For the safety of athletes as well as others involved with the outdoor sports, Merrimack College has a cold weather policy in place, which states the following. When wind chill temperatures drop between 30 and 25 degrees Fahrenheit, preparation for possible cold injuries should take place, as well as exposure outside should be a maximum of 2 hours. When temperature drops between 25 and 15 degrees Fahrenheit, athletes should have all exposed skin covered, and for every 20 minutes outdoors, they need to rewarm for at least 15 minutes. Total exposure time should be no more than 80 minutes. With temperatures between 15 and 5 degrees Fahrenheit, modification of activity should be considered. For every 20 minutes outdoors, athletes need to rewarm for at least 20 minutes, and total exposure time should be a maximum of 60 minutes. When temperatures drop below 5 degrees, practice needs to be canceled. If this cold weather policy is not followed, there are many medical conditions that could result, such as frostbite of the fingers, toes, ears, and/or nose, hypothermia, or cold-induced bronchospasms. The layering principle should be followed when deciding on the appropriate protective clothing to wear in cold weather conditions. This involves wearing 3 to 4 thin layers rather than 1 to 2 thick ones. Light but porous clothing like wool or polyester allows for free exchange of perspiration. Cotton, on the other hand, is not a good choice since it absorbs most of the sweat. Jackets or sweaters with a hood as well as wind-resistant pants help with the wind chill. Other forms of protection consist of hats, face masks, neck warmers, goggles, heavy wool, socks, and/or gloves. When communicating with coaches, parents, or even athletes about cold weather conditions, the best approach is to explain all the potential dangers previously mentioned. If any injury or medical emergency can be easily avoided by having to reschedule or cancel a practice, most people would agree.